How to cancel auto renewal on Whop. I'm going to tell you how to cancel auto renewal on Whop. If you're subscribed to something through Whop and don't want to get charged again, canceling auto renewal is quick. First, go to whop.com and log in. Once you're in, click on your profile in the top right, then hit My Purchases. You'll see a list of everything you're currently subscribed to. Find the one you want to cancel, click Manage, and then toggle off the auto renew option or hit Cancel subscription if that button's available. Some products may redirect you to the seller's page. Just follow the prompts there to cancel the cancellation. Make sure you do this before your next billing cycle because Whop doesn't always offer refunds after renewal hits. Once canceled, your access usually continues until the end of the billing cycle. Clean, simple, and no more surprise charges.